Hi friends, this video shows how to enable Samsung voice typing in Samsung keyboard. Let me open this messages app. Tap on this icon. Tap on this new message icon. This is a Samsung keyboard. See, right now that voice input button is missing. That microphone button is missing in this keyboard. I will show you how we can bring back that microphone button and how we can enable Samsung voice typing. So let me go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Then go down, go to general management. Tap on keyboard list and default. Tap here. Then enable this option. Keyboard button on navigation bar. Enable it. Then go back. Then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Go down. Go to voice input. Tap here. And here we have to select Samsung voice input. Done. Then go back. Let me go to that messages app. See, now in this Samsung keyboard, here you can see microphone voice input button. So this is the Samsung voice typing microphone button. Let me test. Tap here. Hello, testing. See, it's working. If you want to stop, you can again tap here and stop. Okay, so this way we can enable Samsung voice typing. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.